What's up? Kinda Busted here, and today I'm going to teach you how to open your NAT on Windows 10 for the Xbox app and Xbox Play Anywhere games. Let's get right into it. There are two ways of looking to see whether or not your NAT is open. We're going to go through both of them. The first way is the obvious way, and that's go to your Xbox app, log into your Xbox app, click the three lines here, down to settings. Once you've clicked that, a general to network menu will open. You will go ahead and click network, wait a few seconds, and then as you can see, I already have Open NAT. If for some reason you have strict and or moderate, hold tight, we'll get you settled. The final way to go ahead and check NAT is go ahead and click your search menu, type CMD followed by enter, and then we're going to type in these commands. Bring this over. NETSHINT show state. All right, click enter on show state, and what you will get is a page that looks just like this. As you can see, there is the NAT type. If it says anything other than cone, you do not have an open NAT. There are a few ways we can try opening it, but go ahead and make a quick note of your local mapping just in case we do this secondary way, which is going to be port forwarding. So go ahead and copy that right there, your local mapping, copy paste it somewhere, and then you're good to go. All right, so you have seen whether or not your NAT is open, and oh man, you got strict, you got moderate. Let's open it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is going to want to log into your router. I have the NetDuma R1 gaming router, as you can see here. So there it is, NetDuma R1 gaming router. Now do not be afraid to click around your router and figure out where things are. What you are looking for is your UPnP table. Click on UPnP. Now most people, their UPnP tables are going to be enabled. What you're going to want to do is refresh the table. So that is disable your UPnP and apply. Some routers do this really quick. Some routers need a full reboot. Let it do its thing and then come back into your UPnP. And if you decided you want to use UPnP, re-enable it and apply that. However, sometimes UPnP can be kind of a jerk and not work properly. If this happens to you, you can do what I've done and use port forwarding instead. So we're going to go ahead and let's say you've refreshed your UPnP table. The next step you're going to want to do is the actual port giving to your Windows 10 computer. So you're going to search menu again, followed by CMD, but this time you're going to run it in administrator by right-clicking it and run as admin. Some of these commands are actually going to be the same. So NETSHINTTEREDO, but instead of show state, what we're going to type in is set state client port equals 60209. All right, followed by enter. Once that's all said and done, reboot your Windows computer and see whether or not your Xbox app or the command prompt thing that I ran you through a couple minutes ago work for you. Again, a cone means open, and obviously open on the Xbox app means open. If for some reason it didn't open, most likely it's due to your router not clicking UPnP. Sometimes this happens. So what you can do is you can come back into your router and you can disable and then re-enable it again and reboot your computer. If for some reason that doesn't work, you're gonna need to do what I've done. So what you'll do is you'll come into UPnP, we'll do it fresh, UPnP, and you're gonna disable it. So again, most of the time people have it enabled, but if you're gonna go the port forwarding guaranteed open NAT route, disable UPnP and click apply. Most people don't realize you cannot keep UPnP on and use port forwarding at the same time. It will have conflict. So again, if you decide to go port forwarding, which I find to be the easiest way, turn off UPnP. Now, once that's all done, you're going to come back over here, and if you decided you want to do port forwarding, what you're going to do is you're going to give it a rule name. So we're going to call it PC, because I'm on my computer. And then we're going to do 60209, the same port we had typed in earlier. So 60209. All right, and that is the start and end port. Then you're going to click UDP for your protocol. Now, hopefully you already made note again of your computer's IP address But that's what that quick copy and paste I had you do earlier was. That was your computer's IP address, just in case you decided you needed to port forward. What you're most likely, all you're going to need to remember most of the time is your last 3 digits and match them here. So as you can see, there's my 60209. I've already added the rule before, so I don't need to add it again. And there it is. I can disable and delete it and overall apply the port forwarding rules. So once I have entered the add rule for my router, I have to apply that. And then I would still suggest after port forwarding, go ahead and reboot Windows 10. You should guaranteed have an Open NAT if you went the port forwarding route. Again, if you went the UPnP route, it can be finicky. I would suggest doing port forwarding over UPnP like I've done here. However, if you really need UPnP, you might just have to do a few restarts on Windows 10 before it sends that new information with the 60209 port to your router. That's it, everybody. That should give you Open NAT for your Xbox app and Windows 10 and Windows 10 Play Anywhere games in general. If you liked the video, don't forget to smack the like button. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, I'm kinda busted. Take her easy.